So students, today we will discuss about applying and animation effects. Come in, come in. Why are you coming late, beta? Okay, no issue. Okay, so in the previous, before the holidays, we have discussed about the applying the transition effects to a slide. But if we want to apply a animation effect or the transition effect to a particular text or maybe a particular photo, okay, that you have seen in a wedding videos, शादी की वीडियो देखी है, so you have seen when the videography and the photographs are coming, so they are coming just rotating that, or they are coming behind from that any scene, or maybe they are just blurring and then showing. So you have seen there are lots of effects are we have seen in that. So same thing we can see and we can apply it for that. So what we can do that, we have inserted the two slides, and in this one I will insert some more. So we will insert a slide, the second slide, and then I will insert a picture so that you can find out that. So that means we can understand that this picture has been inserted that. So we can find out what is going on. Okay, so simple one. So I'm just zooming it so that we can see that what is going on with the slides. So now the topic is applying an animation effects. So animation effects is you have to go to the animation and click on the custom animation. Okay. So here we can see that the add effects. So when we click on that, you will see the entrance, emphasis, exit, and the motion path. So in every one, they have lots of effects. So according to you, or what need your slides, and what types of transition you want to add with your slide or with your effects. Suppose I have selected this one picture. It will not work whole slide. It will work only for that things that we have selected, not for whole slide. If you want to apply it for a whole slide, then this option will work. Okay? Understand? This option will work. Now, if I want to apply an effect only for the particular things means that maybe I want to apply that for a photo, for text, clip arts, on videos, and for other things that can be with a single mode. Okay. Now first one I'm just putting this one, the entrance. Okay, blind. You will see in that. Okay. Let me show you again. So here we can see that. So if you have seen that I have applied the two animation effect I have already applied. So if you want to delete, so you first just select that one, okay, this one, and just click on that and click on remove. So that if by mistake if you have selected the two transition effects or two animation effects to that photo or whatever you have using in that slide, so you can just remove that. Okay, you think that no, I don't want to use this one, so simply on this select that one, click on this one and click on to the remove. Okay, now your effect is removed from that object. Now again I am just selecting that. You can go for the more effect. Here you can see that the basic subtitle. If I want to use the split diamond, so whatever you want to use, you can select from this, because here is a lots of options. Understand? So suppose I want to use the fold, so you will see that. I think this one you have seen in every wedding videos. So when you are just changing that effects, so you can then see like this. So we can apply these effects. Now again I am just applying to this flying in. Okay. So now come to the next one. This one is this tiger picture, and now I am just using this one. You just use the spin. Then we will see that this effects will apply to them. Understand? Now we will see if we want. Okay, here we have select that slide will rotating into the 360 clockwise. If you think then half, twin, and quarter spin and counterpoint. Okay, so that means it's depend on us. There are the settings are there. If you want to there you slide. Speed you want to be slow, very slow, fast, very fast. Understand? Here you can see that very fast. So that means everything that you want to do with your slide, you can do that. Same thing. Here is not that the rotating. Here is that. Okay. So everything with that can be applied. We can do with that, and you can see that in a preview menu. Okay. If you want to think. Then I want to see how is it will play. Just click on that play and you will see this one will work. Okay, next one is. Now the second thing is you have seen the number 1 and number 2. So means this one slide will play first, then this one. How we can change it? Right? You will think that I want to see that this slide will go to the first number and this slide will go to the second number. So first you have to remove that. Okay, the first one. Okay, then it will automatically make to the second one. Or if you want to see that whatever changes you want to that start with previous means जो पहले था उसी के साथ अगर start करना चाहते हैं जो इससे पहले जो slide थी, so that means the both will work at a single time. Okay, if you want to change the timing, what times you will need from the previous slide. पहली वाली slide change हुई हमारी, but you want that at the time of presentation, I think कि this second animation should be start after 30 seconds because I want to tell the audience about the first transition. Now, first animation object which I have been using, so I think that this one, इसके बारे में मेरे को कुछ बताना है. I want to tell something about this. So that means you can put some timing and how much timing it will delay. So here is the second timing. So if you will just provide that the 10 seconds, so after 10 seconds it will automatically animate. Understand? Next thing is how to put the text in that one. So here you can just understand about that. If we want to insert that, okay, I have typed that in here this name. So I want to apply the setting to this one boxes also. So go to the insert, okay, and click onto the motion path. So motion path means so it will automatically just access that by default where it should be placed. Okay, if you don't want to be placed this one, if you want to do that other things. Okay. So you will see that the text is just changing their width means it is going for the bold letters. Okay. So lots of effects you can apply for that. Let me find out. Okay, you have seen the size is increasing. Okay, so everything is Is it in that? So whatever you want to do with that, you can do with that. You can see that it will change that color also. If you can see that. Okay, let me first change the size of that so that you can see clearly. Okay, now you can see that. So okay, so here you can see that if you want to apply that, so that means the text will come by letter means when you are just starting this, let me show you that. Okay, here we can see that this one is the first. Okay, second. So here you can see that. That means like if someone is typing some letters. Okay. So that means these settings we can apply for that. Now the next thing is, the next topic is inserting sound effect in a slide. Okay, now we have understand about that how to use the animations. Now the next thing is, if you have applied the animation to your slide. Now I think that some sound should be there, because in some presentation in audience, if someone is not just attention, is not seeing that your presentation, if the different sound is there, if you have a presentation have a different look, maybe some sound that look like if someone see that, wow, what is this going on? Okay, so they will just interact with you with a very in a hurry mode. ये क्या चीज था? Okay, so that type of sound we can put in that slides. Okay, so now let's go to the insert and then you can see the sound section. So here is the sound from file. Means if we have a particular sign, then we can put it from an RPC. We can go for that. You will click on that. So it will transfer to your drive. Go to the particular areas where you have been already saved that sound and then select that file and click onto the open. Okay, you will see that sound icon will put it at here. A sound icon. Okay, small one like this one. Now, if you want to go to the clip organizer, that you want to see that here should be a sound is there also there, or if you want to find out for the other things. So in that one, you will see that the some sounds are there. If you want to put it, so it will ask you, how do you want to sound the start in the slideshow? Automatically or when clicked. If some sounds is look like that it should be automatically played, then you will go for the automatically. That means you will see that your sound icon will put it at here. Okay. So if you want to drag it to the corner side or maybe somewhere else, so that you can put it inside, okay, or maybe at any corner. So that means we have inserted the sound that a sound should be played automatically. Understand? Now the next thing is, if you want to put that sound into the slides animation. Okay, so here you will see that the transition effects. These are the transition effects, the animation effects. So I want that should be the sound should be there. So here you can see that. Let me show you a sound. Okay. So like this. will see some sound is there that have only 1 second, okay, half second sound, maybe the 0.25 second time. So that means that have some sounds. So if you want to put it in your slide, that means you can apply for that. There is the wind sound, the camera captures. Okay, there are lots of things. Okay, you can apply to their slide, and then you will see that sound will play when you are just running your slides. So now let's see. So you will see that sound I have applied to that your slide. So it will automatically play. Nothing should be done. Now you will see second thing, which is the first one. This is the next one. If you will think your slide should be automatically played, that you can also apply the settings, but we have not done. You will see that I have put this sound in the after that. Okay, so that sound you can put into your slides. Understand? So whatever we have done, everything we can see in the slideshow. Understand? The next thing is adding a sound from a file. I have already told you how to just add a sound from the file. If you will not understand about that, then go for that. From file, go to the particular area. Okay, there is not any file. So yes, there is some file. You can put it okay, and it will ask you. So when click, so when we play the sound, when we play the slides, then we have to click on that. Then after you will see that slide, that sound will play at the time of presentation showing. Okay. Next thing is inserting your own sound. Okay. So if you want to put your own sound, that means so next thing is how we can delete that animation which you have been previously used. So simple thing is go to the track and you will see here we have applied that one. Okay, so if you will think this one, this slide is applied, then you will click onto that. Okay, next is custom animation. So same thing, you can click onto the remove. Then your animation, same thing you have to do for all the things, and then you will see that animation will remove. Next thing is how to print a slide. Okay, simply just go to the Microsoft icon, click on that, and you will see if you want to save as print. So first you will print preview. So you will see that print preview will look like this. Okay. So same thing, you will just, if you want print white print, so what types of printing you want to do that, you can select that one, okay, and then you will see that slide will print with the help of a printer and according to what you can see on your screen. Okay, so I think there is no confusion. If you have any confusion, please, if you want to ask any question,